Hi, I'm Johanne Mangi. I'm here at the Beardsley Zoo in Connecticut. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It couldn't be better for the zoo, and I'm here scouting animals for our workshop in January called Zooming at the Zoo. The Beardsley has been kind enough to offer to help us out with live streams of animals. We're going to figure out what animals we're going to use, but they have tigers and wolves, and if you took the workshop last year, this was where those animals came from, and we might mix it up. They have spider monkeys, they have all sorts of different types of animals, and I'm here today. I'm checking it out. We're going to try and figure it out. So go to the website, Scottsdale Artist School. It's the last 3 Fridays in January. We're just going to have a great time, and you're going to learn a lot, and everything you learn in that workshop you'll be able to take with you to paint anything. So hope to see you there. Thanks.